Hello everyone, today we're going to be showing you what to do if you have a broken or damaged nozzle. It's important to test your sprinklers regularly to check for broken or damaged nozzles. You may notice that sprinklers are not putting out water or that the spray pattern is distorted. You may notice that nozzles are missing completely. In any of these cases, you may need to replace your nozzle. It's important to know what your nozzle is and being able to identify what nozzle you need in the right areas. The most common nozzle you will come across are the 90 degrees or the Q nozzles, which are appropriate for corners. 180 degrees or H nozzles, which are appropriate for areas along driveways, sidewalks, and fences. 360 degrees or the F nozzles, which are more likely to be found in the middle of yards or areas the sprinklers can spray in every direction without any obstruct objects in the way. Adjustable or VAN nozzles, which can be adjusted to any arc and are good for areas like the corner of a patio or a corner of a house. Before you replace the nozzle, you'll need to choose the nozzle accordingly to the area it will cover. The best way to do this is to measure the distance between heads. The number on the top of the nozzle tells you the distance it will throw water. The letter represents the arc the nozzle covers. Pull the nozzle up carefully. It may help to use a flathead screwdriver, then hold it tight with one hand to prevent the springs from pulling the riser down. Carefully unscrew the top of the nozzle and remove the filter. Insert your new filter and carefully screw your new nozzle into place. And as always, if you have any questions, you can give us a call at 972-292-5800 or use the My Frisco app to schedule a free sprinkler checkup with one of our licensed irrigators.